In this video, I want to show you how to create a new lockup in your Pi wallet. Creating a new lockup for available Pi in the Pi wallet will boost individual mining rates based on the same lockup rewards mechanism detailed in the 2021 white paper. Let's get started. Open your Pi browser. Then click on Wallet to open your Pi wallet. Here, enter your 24 passphrase and click on Unlock with passphrase to access your wallet. To access the option to create a new lockup, click on Lockups. Here click on Create New Lockup at the upper right corner. Yes, create new lockup with Pi in your wallet. Such Pi will be locked immediately, and you will start receiving the corresponding mining boost in the mining apps, starting from your next mining session. Interestingly, this will not affect the lockup configuration on the mining app for your next mainnet migration. Number 1 down here, set up your lockup amount by moving the bar to the left or right. This depends on how much Pi you want to lock up. Immediately you do that, you can see your mining boost rate here. Secondly, set up your lockup duration. Whether for 2 weeks, 6 months, 1 year or 3 years. Similarly, you can see the corresponding mining boost rate here. After you set your preferred amount and lockup duration, then click on Create to finally create your new lockup. Overall, the lockup feature is a strategic move to ensure a healthy, smooth transition as the network grows and evolves. I hope this video is helpful to someone. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.